Hello everyone, this is Namita Asuka Sharma, the Tarot card reader, the Chakra healer, the Angel healer, back for you with today's new motto of cleansing your chakras. So let me wait till I see few of them joining. As I said, today we'll be focusing upon throat chakra cleansing. So how are you all doing, guys? Let's connect soon. Those connecting, please leave a comment so that I can come to know. Let's connect soon. Hello Manav ji. Please type yes, those who have joined in, so that we can start the chakra healing as soon as possible. Hi. Hello Palak. Hello friends, everyone. Let me wait for a few to join together so that we can start up with the session. As I said yesterday, we will be discussing about the throat chakra. Yesterday we did the third eye chakra meditation and cleansing. So I suppose you must have been feeling great today after doing third eye chakra healing. कैसा लग रहा है आप सबको? Do share your views. And meditation is always a very long process to do. You have to continue it for days so that you can see the results. It's not like doing one day and you see the results instantly. कुछ भी चीज़ों को हील करने के लिए समय लगता है. कोई भी चीज़ की क्लीनिंग होती है तो अच्छा लगता है. Palak is feeling relaxing. Great. Anyone else joining? Hello everyone. Cleansing is a very important part of our body. It's like until unless you do so, you cannot live the actual life you are. अपने बॉडी को आप जितना क्लेंस करोगे आप उतना एक्टिवली हर चीज़ कर सकते हो. फिर चाहे आप कैसे भी हो, चाहे मोटे हो, पतले हो, स्किनी हो, कैसे भी, बट इफ़ योर बॉडी इज़ एक्टिव यू कैन विन एनी ग्राउंड्स. वेर एवर यू गो यू गिव योर वेरी बेस्ट इम्प्रेशन. आपकी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करने लग जाती है व्हेन यू आर गुड फ्रॉम विद इन. जब आप अपने आप को अंदर से खुश महसूस करते हो, आप अपने आप को कॉन्फिडेंट महसूस करते हो, when you feel the positive vibes within you, you automatically win the grounds. You don't have to look forward to anyone. आप खुद अच्छे हो तो सब कुछ अच्छा होने लग जाता है. That is what you are meant to be. That is what the thought process required for you. As yesterday I gave the affirmation of third eye chakra. In that you had to say, I can see the truth, I can see the things happening around me, I start believing in myself. जब आप खुद पे बिलीव करते हो तो कितना अच्छा लगता है. Your intuitions automatically answers your questions. You don't have to seek anywhere else. That is the importance of third eye chakra meditation. आपको थर्ड आई चक्रा के लिए मैंने कल भी बताया था कि जब भी आप करते हो मेक श्योर यू सिट कामली रिलैक्स्ड. कुछ भी मेडिटेशन करते हो, यू नीड टू रिलैक्स इन द वेरी पॉसिबल वे. कीप योर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड. आज भी यही बोलूँगी, मेक योर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड. अच्छे से पानी पी लो सो दैट यू डोंट फील अनईजी व्हाइल डूइंग दिस मेडिटेशन. एंड लीव ऑल द अदर स्टफ्स बिहाइंड. नाउ यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ. पूरे दिन में जो कुछ भी हुआ, कुछ पल के लिए उसे छोड़ दो एंड फोकस टुडे ऑन योर सेल्फ. आप कैसे हो, क्या हो. गिव सम टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. इससे अच्छी चीज़ कुछ भी नहीं होती है. क्योंकि जब भी हम लोग बेड पे जाते हैं तो ऐसे ही ऑलरेडी इतनी टेंशन्स रहती है कि अपने आप पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाते एंड वी डोंट गेट प्रॉपर स्लीप इन नाइट. फिर सुबह उठते हैं तो माइंड फ्रेश नहीं रहता, रिलैक्स नहीं रहता. देन व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ गिविंग द रेस्ट टू द बॉडी जब आप सुबह उठकर रिलैक्स ही नहीं फील करते हो एंड फ्रेश नहीं फील करते हो. इज़न्ट इट? क्यों होता है ऐसा कि आप कोई चीज़ कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हो बट सुबह आपको इतना गंदा लगता है कि यू डोंट फील लाइक क्या मैं कम्युनिकेट करूँ. सुबह उठते आपको बात करने का मन नहीं होता है, सुबह उठते कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है. वाई? क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी को वो रेस्ट नहीं मिला है. खाली आंखें बंद करके सोने से नहीं होता है. यू नीड टू गिव रेस्ट फ्रॉम विदिन. जब अंदर से बॉडी को रेस्ट मिलेगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको हर चीज़ करने का जुनून बढ़ेगा. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस इज़ द बिगेस्ट हैप्पीनेस. वैसे ही आज हम लोग करेंगे थ्रोट चक्रा के ऊपर क्लेंसिंग. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, आई आस्क कि यू फील लाइक कि मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ पर लोग सुनने को तैयार नहीं हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू want to be a leader but don't feel like you are having that quality कि आपके अंदर वो qualities missing है to be a leader but you still want to be. कौन कौन अपने तरीके से अपने बॉस को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहता है अपने बोलने से कि मुझे ऐसे करके अप्रिशिएट करना है. Who wants to be a biggest and very good orator? Who all want? कौन नहीं चाहता है? सब कोई चाहते हैं. How many of you want to convince your boss? How many of you want कि you have a very good relationship with your partner in terms of words? How many of you, किसको लगता है कि मैं आज मेरे अंदर काश ऐसी क्वालिटी आ जाए कि मैं जैसे बात करूं लोग मुझसे कन्विंस हो जाएं? कौन चाहता है कि मैं आज अपने पार्टनर के साथ जो भी टाइम स्पेंड करता हूं, बात करता हूं, वो हमारे लिए अच्छे पल ला के रखें? You get the memories when you sit together. When you are with your employees and your work coordinators, workers along with them, you want to impress them with your words, with your personality. Isn't that your motto all the time? कि आप जहाँ पर भी जाओ आप अपना अच्छा impression छोड़ के आओ. Improving your communication skill is the biggest thing that is required in today's era. In this competitive world, your words play the game. आपके words जितने अच्छे होंगे, the more you appreciate things, the more you get the things in return. दो अच्छी बातें will leave everything in your soothing way, smooth way. You get the all track. That is what is required. When you speak to others, that means you are giving something from within. आप कुछ अंदर से बोल रहे हो. एंड जब आप अंदर से कोई आवाज़ आती है एंड आप चाहते हो कि कोई आपकी बात समझे, तब समझ लेना कि यू रिक्वायर एन आइडेंटिटी. आपकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन की बहुत ज़रूरत है. व्हेन दैट इज़ हैपनिंग, तब आपको समझ लेना चाहिए हर चीज़ों को. एंड वेन एवर यू फील लाइक, मे आई आस्क कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील लाइक कि मुझे किसी से कोई बात नहीं करनी है. आई फील लाइक आइसोलेटेड. मेरी बात कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहता तो मैं क्यों आगे बढ़ के बात करूं, या मैं जो बोलना चाहती हूँ वो कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहता है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर देयर हु फील द सेम? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके और आपके फैमिली में कम्युनिकेशन गैप आ गया है, या फिर आपके वर्क फील्ड में आपके कम्युनिकेशन गैप आ गया है. अगेन, किसको लगता है कि मेरी बॉडी मेरे को परमिट नहीं कर रही है? एंड अगेन वन मोर थिंग, दोज पर्सन्स हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ थायराइड, उसके लिए भी मैं बताऊंगी कि आपका थ्रोट चक्रा ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. Very important thing today I'll be discussing about is the throat chakra. If you are suffering with the problem of thyroid, if you are suffering with the problem of throat, sore throat, you are having like sinus problem, you are allergic to something, that means your throat chakra is imbalanced. And today most of the people are having the problem of thyroid, and thyroid is connected to your throat chakra. वो imbalance है, इसलिए आपकी body में वो imbalance create हुआ है. So throat chakra relating to your physical body, it will lead to the problems like thyroid, it will lead to the problem of sore throat, cough and cold all the time. And again talking about to your personality, it will lead to your miscommunication, making your bad image everywhere, making you isolated, not allowing you to speak in front of anyone, not allowing you to prove yourself best, not allowing you to give your identity the best possible way in front of anyone. आपके words आप चाहोगे कुछ और कुछ निकलेगा कुछ. There will be a difference in the two things. That is your throat chakra imbalance creates in your life. So today I shall be cleansing your throat chakra, and how you have to do it is totally depending upon you. कि ये बस अभी मैंने बोला आप कर लिए, ऐसा कुछ भी है, आपको इसको कंटिन्यू करना है तभी वो रिजल्ट आएगा. Yesterday I had discussed about the third eye chakra and आपने कैसे किया है, it totally depends upon you now. Any guidelines, I'm always there to help you always. Now let's focus upon our third throat chakra, and we'll be continuing with this in a very calm and soothing way, and we'll pray to ourselves, our body, कि आप जब ये healing करके उठो तो you have a very good intuitive power, you have a very good speaking power, कि आप कुछ भी बोलो वो अच्छा निकले आपके मुँह से, as if फूल बरस रहे हो. That is what is important. Come on friends, let's relax for some time. Let's give ourselves time today. जाए दुनिया भाड़ में, अभी हम लोग को दुनिया का नहीं देखना है. We need to recognize ourselves. We need to heal ourselves. दुनिया को दिखाना है कि हम अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Improve your presentation skills today. Let's start up with the healing process. I request all of you to sit calmly and close your eyes. Place your hands on your thighs and just relax. At the end of this meditation, I'll be discussing about what stones, what are the crystals you have to use, just like third eye chakra I said. So what are the stones for your chakras related to your throat? We'll be discussing after it. And the mantra related to it, the key mantra for throat chakra. The key mantra for throat chakra is hum. So cool down everyone. Just relax your body. Relax. Take a deep breath in and release it out. Forget all other stuffs happening around you. Don't let anything interfere now. That is the biggest rule in the meditation and the cleansing process. Let not other things hamper you right now. Give this 15 minutes of 24 hours to you. See yourself. Where are you? Take deep breath and release it. Do it till you feel comfortable. Make yourself comfortable and relax. Feel the presence of your body. Feel as if you are knowing yourself. Feel the essence of light. and slowly you are stepping ahead in the garden of love, the garden of blooming flowers and energies for you. Let the positive energies, let the pure light from the universe enter your body. Ask your partner to come and help you. Ask the partner you saw on the first day to come and help you. Ask the presence of your partner. Call him. Call your Almighty God to give you the past today. Just close your eyes and feel the presence of your God. You feel great to be with your partner today because you are going to speak something to your partner today. Move ahead in the garden of love and purity. A beautiful garden full of flowers, colorful flowers all around, and the silky grass, the smooth river flowing, the noise of the water, and the water as if asking you to come. Just tap your feet in the water to cleanse yourself. Feel the water. Just relax. Forget everything today. You need to focus on yourself now. What you are. Just see what you want to speak today. Your partner is standing in front of you. Just go and hug that person. He's the same person who gave you the energies to cleanse your crown chakra and the third eye chakra. And today he will help you to balance your throat chakra. Just hug that person. Your partner is asking you, what happened? क्या हुआ? क्या चाहिए था? क्यों ऐसे खुश जगह पे इतनी उदास? Your partner is looking into your eyes and you start crying. आपका गला भर आ रहा है, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो उसे, बट आप कह नहीं पा रहे. Partner आपको देख रहा है. He's asking you again and again, क्या हुआ? You are trying to speak, but you are unable to speak to him your problems. Remove everything from your heart and just speak out today. Just speak out everything to your partner today. He will listen to you. दुनिया नहीं सुनेगी, और ये सुनेगा आज. Just speak out everything you want to and relax with that. He's listening to you and you're speaking all your pains. Slowly and slowly speak up. Maybe some teardrops comes out from your eyes. Don't worry. Let it release out. Let no pains be there in your mind. Relax and speak. Somebody is there to listen to you today. Slowly and slowly make yourself comfortable with your partner and ask him to cleanse your throat chakra. Ask him to give you the powers to cleanse your chakra and chant hum, hum. Now your partner is providing you the blue energies for your chakra, because your throat chakra is denoted with the blue color, the soothing blue color. Just grab that energies from your partner, from the universe, from the God, who is always standing for you with open arms. Just receive the blue energies into your throat chakra. Now feel a ray of blue light is coming into your throat. The presence of throat chakra is just over here. The blue color ball is moving over here. Just leave your body relaxed and feel your chakras. Ask the blue energy to enter your throat chakra. Just from your inner eye, fill that chakra with blue color. The chakra is getting charged up. The chakra needs that blue energies because it is imbalanced. Give your chakra the energies which it requires, which you will get nowhere else except from your God, from the universe. Take the energies, absorb the positivity, absorb the positive energies, and release out all negativities. You can feel the essence, blue light, the beautiful blue light, which is related to your emotions, isn't it? The chakra is getting enlightened with the blue color. Chant hum along with it. Hum, 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 hum. And ask your chakra to give you energies to speak up. And now charge your chakra. Place your hand over the throat chakra slowly and say, I can say. Speak up to yourself today and say to yourself the affirmation I am saying now. I can say. I can speak the truth. I can speak the truth. I can speak up for myself. I trust myself. I ask my body to give me the energies to speak up. I trust myself. I have the power to speak in front of all. I remove all shyness. I can speak. I can speak. I can speak. Chakra is getting charged up with your words. I can speak all positive things. I release out all anger from my body so that I use no harsh words for anyone. Ask your chakra, ask your throat to give only positive words, sweet words. And those suffering from the problems of thyroid, sore throat, cough and cold, ask your chakra to cleanse that area for you. Feel your chakra moving and as if with the energies of blue light, it is cleaning your throat and giving you a feeling of cleansing all around your throat. Feel it as a wheel moving around your throat. When you can feel this, that means you are feeling the right direction you are. When you can feel your chakra moving inside with your third eye, that means your third eye chakra and the throat chakra is into balance today. When you can receive the energies from the God, that means your crown chakra is active. You have successfully attuned your three chakras. If you are still missing that, you need to practice it more. Bring your concentration towards the chakras. Slowly and slowly, you can feeling, you can say this to your partner and ask your partner to protect your throat chakra and cleanse your body. Now your partner is giving you the light of protection. Receive the light of protection, the beautiful light of protection for your whole body. Receive that white light and step into that white light. Take a step ahead and get yourself enlightened with this white light for your protection. अपने आप को प्रोटेक्टेड फील करो उस वाइट लाइट के अंदर. The white shining light will protect you from everything. Relax. Ask your partner to be with you all the time. Look at your partner, what he is saying to you. If you are feeling any type of itchiness, any type of movement in your body, in your throat, that means the energies are getting into your track. Your energies are being attracted by your chakras. Slowly and slowly relax. Calm down. Take a leaf from your partner. Excuse me. If you feel any such irritation, that means your throat chakra needs more attention from you. That means there is some imbalance in your chakras. Continue this exercise every day and relax and relax. Come down to yourself. Slowly and slowly take a leaf from the garden of love and ask the garden to give you love and blessings. Ask your partner to give you the blessings to speak the truth. The words of love for everyone. Slowly and slowly come down to yourself and relax. Feel the essence of air. Feel the purity and relax and relax and relax. Take deep breaths. When you are calm, rub your hands. Once comfortable, get your hand on your eyes. Just relax. Open your eyes. I suppose by the time now all of you are comfortable with it. So as I said, this is the throat chakra meditation we are doing. So throat chakra, आज के युग में जैसा बोलोगे वैसा आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. That is why throat chakra is very important. सब कुछ गले की बात है, सब कुछ आपके खेल आपके वर्ड्स के ऊपर रहता है. सो डू दिस चक्रा क्लेंसिंग एवरी डे. बिकॉज जब भी हम लोग बहुत हार्श हो जाते हैं, हमारी एनर्जीज हार्श हो जाती है, तो क्या हम लोग उससे भी कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. तो जो भी बोलते हैं उसका प्रेशर यहाँ पड़ता है. तो प्रेशर पड़ता है तो थ्रोट चक्रा इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है. जो ज़्यादा चिल्लाते हैं उसके लिए ये चक्रा को बैलेंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जिसको बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है उसको इस चक्रा को बैलेंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि गुस्से में वो कुछ भी मुंह से बोल देता है, उससे उसका थ्रोट चक्रा इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है. इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ वेरी गुड ओरेटर, आपको अपने थ्रोट चक्रा पे ऑल द सिंगर्स, ऑल द लीडरशिप इनटू पॉलिटिक्स एंड ऑल, एवरीवन who needs to play with the words needs the best cleansing of throat chakra. That is very important for them. All students, सबको ज़रूरी है, throat chakra cleansing बहुत ज़रूरी है. To do this every day, it will help you. And along with this, जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं आपको affirmations and कुछ बातें बताऊंगी. तो throat chakra के लिए सबसे बड़ा affirmation है I speak the truth. I speak the truth. ये आपको रोज़ बोलना है कि मैं सच बोलता हूँ, मैं जो बोलता हूँ उसे लोग सुनते हैं. ये अपने आप को रोज़ बोलना है. एंड थ्रोट चक्रा होता है ब्लू कलर का. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज़ हैव ब्लू थिंग्स इन योर सराउंडिंग्स. ब्लू कपड़े पहनो, ब्लू कलर की कोई भी चीज़ खाओ. इट विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव द चक्रा बैलेंसिंग प्रोसेस. ये बहुत इजी कर देता है, क्योंकि कलर हैज़ इट्स ओन एनर्जीज़. उस कलर एनर्जीज़ को अगर आप अपने मेडिटेशन या इस क्लेंसिंग प्रोसेस में अगर यूज़ कर लेते हो तो उसका आपको डबल बेनिफिट मिलने लग जाता है. दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो ब्लू कलर को आप किसी भी रूप में यूज़ करें. आपने देखा भी होगा काफ़ी लोगों को ब्लू कलर बहुत पसंद आता है. वाई दे गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स ब्लू? बिकॉज उनकी कम्युनिकेटिव स्किल्स उनको बोल रही है, उनका थ्रोट चक्रा वो ब्लू को अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. दैट इज़ वाई. दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज समवेयर इमोशनल. उसके इमोशंस में वो कहीं ना कहीं अट्रैक्शन आ जाता है ब्लू को लेकर. उसका थ्रोट चक्रा चाहता है कि मुझे और ब्लू चाहिए, मुझे और ब्लू चाहिए. सो यू नीड टू पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स इट. जब आपको अचानक कोई कलर आउट ऑफ ब्लू कुछ भी समझ में आता है कि और कोई कलर अचानक से पसंद आने लग गया, तो समझ लेना वो कुछ इंडिकेट कर रहा है आपको बॉडी के अंदर कोई चेंजेस हो रही हैं. क्योंकि कलर्स की एक एनर्जी होती है, एक फ्रिक्वेंसी होती है, जिससे वो अपने आप आपका ध्यान खींच लेता है. So when you are getting attracted to any color, make sure some changes are getting built up in your body. So look into it. समझो क्या बताना चाहता है आपको, नेचर क्या दिखाना चाहता है. एंड ब्लू कलर का स्टोन आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. लैपिस lazuli is the very good blue stone that you can use for healing yourself, and these are the healing crystals which we use while doing the healing process. जब भी हम लोग चक्रा हीलिंग करते हैं तो वी यूज़ स्पेसिफिक स्टोन्स लाइक दिस फॉर योर हीलिंग. इससे डायरेक्ट एनर्जीज ग्रैब होती हैं. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, हम लोग ऐसे हीलिंग करते रहते हैं तो एनर्जीज इधर उधर छट जाती है. इट गेट्स स्प्रेडेड. दिस स्टोन्स हेल्प्स अस टू अट्रैक्ट द एनर्जी एंड डायरेक्टली pour that into that particular chakra. This is what the stone says. So always pay attention to anything that is happening all of a sudden to your body. It will help you to know what is going on. जब नहीं समझ आए तो pay attention. नहीं समझ आ रही है तो you can just ask me. आप ask anything. कुछ भी ज़रूरत होती है you can just pin up to my page and you can ask me. I can help you with that. कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या इंडिकेशन है. That is what required. कभी कभी ऑल ऑफ सडन हमें कोई नंबर्स बारी बारी दिखने लग जाते हैं, तो वो नंबर्स भी कुछ एनर्जीज हैं. वो नंबर्स आपको कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. तो पे अटेंशन टू इट. एंजल्स ऑलवेज गिव यू सम इंडिकेशंस. इट्स टोटली अपॉन यू हाउ यू रिसीव इट. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू. एंड व्हेन यू आर वांटिंग टू इम्प्रूव योर चक्रा क्लेंसिंग प्रोसेस, यूज़ दैट पर्टिकुलर कलर फॉर दैट चक्रा. जैसे आज मैंने ब्लू पहना है फॉर द ब्लू चक्रा क्लेंसिंग. दैट इज़ योर थ्रोट चक्रा. Tomorrow we shall be discussing about your heart chakra cleansing. For the heart chakra, I would request you to आप लोग कुछ भी green use कर सकते हो. So tomorrow you can put on anything green. You can keep something green towards for you in front of you. Anyways, in any form, it will help you to do that process in a very smooth way. Any questions regarding today's session? Any queries? I may know. कोई क्वेश्चन किसी को कुछ कोई पूछना चाहता है तो आई एम ओपन टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. एंड सबसे ज़रूरी बात, आप सबको कैसा लगता है प्लीज़ इसका रिव्यू ज़रूर बताइए, सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू मोर. मुझे पता चलेगा तब मैं आपको और दो चीज़ें ज़्यादा बता पाऊँगी. until unless you share something with me, I cannot say you anything more. आपके फीडबैक के बिना हर चीज़ अधूरी होती है. Show your gratitude towards the nature, show your gratitude towards whatever you do. Anyone, any queries, leave your comment in the comment box. And to improve your relation, tomorrow we'll be discussing about your heart chakra. Very important, very, very important heart chakra to build up very good relations with your partner, with your soulmate. If you are feeling any type of problems regarding your relationships with your husband, with your in-laws, with your friends, with your parents, anyone, you need to do the heart chakra cleansing tomorrow. Feeling lonely, feeling isolated from everyone, cannot make friends, then tomorrow is a heart chakra cleansing. Tune up. I'll be writing the time tomorrow itself while doing it, so you can join me tomorrow. And today, as we did the throat chakra, please continue doing it. When you are confident enough, it will be a very, very important thing for you to make yourself more identified. Give yourself the self-respect you want. So come on friends, start up a new journey for yourself this Navratri. Hope you liked the session today. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe something good is knocking at your door. That is why some way or the other we are connected. Hope we be connected all the time. Till then, bye-bye, tata, good night. See you soon tomorrow. Shall be updating the status tomorrow itself at what time we'll be meeting. Till then, keep doing meditation. Thank you friends. Bye-bye.